To change your YouTube profile picture is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply just navigate to YouTube, and then from here, you want to go ahead and select your profile or your channel. From here, simply click on this camera icon that you see whenever you hover over the profile picture, and then this will bring you to the channel customization. So all you need to do is simply come to picture and select change, and then choose a file currently saved on your computer, and then select open. From here, just adjust it to your liking, and then select done to apply the changes. Now all you need to do is simply select publish so that the changes are applied across your whole YouTube channel. When you view your YouTube channel, you should be able to see the profile picture will be changed. Bear in mind, it's not an immediate change. It does take a couple of minutes or hours as the changes are applied to your channel. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.